Hey everyone, I'm Steven with UMAX, and today I'm going to walk you through a quick start guide for the EinScan RIGIL. If this is your first time powering up the scanner, this video will take you step by step from opening the case all the way to completing your first scan. Let's get started. Inside your EinScan RIGIL kit, you'll find the RIGIL scanner, the battery, charging cable, calibration board, markers, and accessories kit. Before powering on the scanner, make sure the battery is installed and fully charged. To install the battery, slide it into the rear compartment until it clicks securely into place. Once the battery is installed, confirm everything in the kit is ready before powering on. Before activating your RIGIL, the first step is installing the official Shining 3D software, ExScan RIGIL, onto your computer. The software allows your scanner to connect, process data, and export finished 3D models. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Shining 3D Support Downloads page. Locate the latest available ExScan RIGIL software to ensure compatibility with the newest firmware and scanning features. Download the installer to your computer next. Once the download finishes, open the installation file. You can now launch the ExScan RIGIL from your desktop shortcut or Start menu. When the software opens for the first time, it will automatically prepare the scanning environment. This may take a few seconds. After the software finishes loading, confirm the interface opens normally without any warning messages. This verifies that the installation completed successfully. At this stage, your system is ready to connect and activate the scanner. Before moving to activation, there are a few quick system checks that help ensure a smooth setup. First, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Second, confirm your laptop or workstation is plugged into power if you're using a mobile system. And third, close any unnecessary background application. These steps help maximize scanning stability and performance. If the installer does not finish correctly, try these quick fixes. Restart your computer and run the installer again. Right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator, and temporarily disable antivirus if it's blocking installation. In most cases, one of these steps resolves installation issues immediately. Next, download the latest ExScan RIGIL, allow driver installation, launch the program successfully, and confirm the interface opens before activating your RIGIL. Now that the software is installed, the next step is activating your RIGIL. Activation links your scanner to your Shining 3D account, and it unlocks full scanning functionality inside the software. Start by powering on the RIGIL. Next, connect the scanner to your computer using either the supplied USB cable or configured wireless connection. Once connected, launch ExScan RIGIL. There are a few important things to keep in mind during activation. First, activation only needs to be completed once per scanner. Second, your computer must be connected to the internet during activation. Third, the scanner must remain powered on throughout the process. If your workstation doesn't have internet access, you can still activate the scanner using offline activation. Inside Device Manager, select Offline Activation. The software will generate a request file. Transfer this file to an internet-connected computer and upload it to your Shining 3D account portal. After downloading the response file, return it to the scanning workstation and complete activation. This allows secure activation even in restricted network environments. Up at the top, open the Device Manager. Here you should see the EinScan RIGIL listed in the Available Devices panel. If the scanner does not appear yet, wait a few seconds while the software completes detection. When your scanner shows up in the list, select it, click Activate. At this point, the software will prompt you to sign in with your Shining 3D account. To confirm activation at any time, open Device Manager again. Your scanner should display a status of activated and ready. If you see this message, the scanner is fully unlocked and ready to use. If activation does not complete successfully, here are a few quick things to check. Confirm your internet connection is active, verify the scanner is powered on, make sure your USB or wireless connection is stable, and confirm you are logged into the correct Shining 3D account. After checking these items, try activation again. Make sure to subscribe for future scanning tips and product reviews. Now, if you're looking for your own scanner, software, accessories, or if you'd like to schedule a free demo, head over to umax.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Steven with UMAX, and I'll see you in the next one.